Sup YouTube, took 2 trades, made one big crucial mistake, but I'm very happy about the mistake because that is part of the process and I'm always happy doing some new mistakes. I mean, it sounds kind of ridiculous, but at the end of the day, this is growing pain, and you know, I'm just gonna hop straight into the video, show you the 2 trades that we took, and I'm gonna break down our thinking process behind it and why we executed. So this was the winning trade. We basically saw it was Euro USD once again, like always, and saw that in New York session a prominent low got taken out, so we kind of saw a liquidity sweep and wanted to see a push to the upside. We got this right here, and then we basically waited for price to go up, and we saw a little bit of a breakout structure right here. I mean, also I'm not too happy with this trade because I want to take fair value gaps in a higher time frame, and then I want to see chart gets pushed into the fair value gap in a lower time frame. But I mean, we still took that trade, so saw this fair value gap after breakout structure right here, and then we basically took the trade off of it, took a long trade, entered right here below the recent liquidity, took a 1-to-3 ratio actually, and then we waited for price to move in our direction, and gonna show you guys the trade now. So this was the losing trade. Made one big mistake, traded on news data day, so we actually got CPI data from the United States, and that's a clear signal for us to not take any trades on that day. But we still decided to do it because we were a bit greedy and, you know, wanted to take that trade. We didn't accept to have a trading session without taking a trade, and I mean, that's growing pain. I think that's very, very good. So we basically just marked out this liquidity zone, and as you guys can see, there was a big push to the upside, so no way to take a trade off of this. Can't execute. It doesn't matter what strategy you have, you just, you know, quit the charts for the day. So we waited for our push to the upside, wanted liquidity to get swept. We saw that right here. And from then on, we basically wanted to see a move down, see a breakout structure. So we actually spectated the 1-minute chart, and price was going sideways kinda, but all of a sudden it broke down, and right here we witnessed some kind of breakout structure. I don't know, I think we were seeing things that aren't even happening. So we saw this fair value gap, which didn't even actually got tested. I mean, we dipped into it with our little finger maybe, and we got 2 breakout structures before that, so it was a very terrible execution style. Entered our trade actually right here, took our stop loss all the way up here, actually higher, above local liquidity, took a 1-to-1 ratio, and spoiler, we never touched the green zone actually. So I'm gonna show you guys the trade. So this was it, 3rd video on the journey, and I'm very, very, very happy about the last 2 trades because they teached us so much. I mean, you can point out mistakes you can make in the forex market 1,000 times in theory, but I think you at least once have to go through them in practice. So that's very, very good. And actually, since we are just starting, it's better for us to have losing trades than winning trades, because then we can journal and figure the mistakes out, and you know, we can take a look at the charts and maybe see some patterns in the future that we've seen before. So I'm actually very happy about that. I'm excited for the future. Thanks for the nice comments on the last videos. Thanks for the support, guys, and keep your head up, and I wish you guys a blessed day.